Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your old PC to Windows 11 seamlessly. First, open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft website. In the search bar, type Download Windows 11 ISO. Click on the first link that says Download Windows 11 Disk Image. Scroll down to the section that says Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Choose Windows 11 from the drop-down menu and click Download. Now, select your language, then click Confirm. Finally, click the 64-bit download button. The download will start. The ISO file is large, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. While the ISO is downloading, let's get Rufus. Open a new tab and search for Rufus Download. Click on the official Rufus website. Scroll down to the Download section and click on the latest version. Once the download is done, open the Rufus file. It does not need installation. Now plug in your USB flash drive. Make sure it has at least 8 gigabytes of space and no important files, because everything will be erased. In Rufus, you will see your USB drive detected automatically. Next to boot selection, click the Select button. Find and open the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded from Microsoft. Once the ISO is selected, look below where it says Start. Click on it, and a new menu will pop up. Check the options for Windows requirements. This option helps older PCs install Windows 11 without problems. Keep all the other settings as they are. Now, click Start. Rufus will warn you that all data on the USB will be destroyed. Click OK. The process will take a few minutes. When it finishes, you will have a bootable Windows 11 USB ready to use. Now restart your PC and press the key that opens the boot menu. Choose your USB drive from the boot list and press Enter. Your computer will start the Windows 11 setup. Follow the on-screen steps. Once the setup is done, you will see the Windows 11 desktop. Thanks for watching.